My name's Gary. I've lived here for 32 years. You can't go anywhere 5 miles from here without finding water, but I've never had a water problem until last year. I had a major water problem. I was pumping 80,000 gallons of water out of here a day for 41 days. And that was with a gas pump. Then I went to the electric pump because it wasn't deep enough for the gas one. And I did that for another, I believe, 20 days. Went on the internet and found Ayers basement. They came out and went underneath the house and looked at the problem, explained to me what they could do, and then I had them come out and do it, and very, very, very happy with what they did. I went to get a drink of water and the breaker blew. So I reset the breaker, turned the faucet on again, and blew the breaker again. So my well pump is under my house. And so I opened up the trap door and I had almost 4 feet of water. My house is 32 by 36. That's a lot of water. So I borrowed a gas pump, and I got down about 2 feet of water out in the first day, and the pump worked. So I just, every day, for 10 to 14 hours a day, I pumped water out of here. A couple people came over they knew I was doing this, and they came over, and we're talking a 3-inch hose. We're talking a fireman's hose. And when they saw the water coming out of that hose, they were just like, because it's shooting at 10, 15 feet, and it's just all day long. The waterproofing crew, I like those guys. They went underneath and no hesitation. They were very thorough and very polite. If they needed something, they would ask, and if I could help, I would. And they were nonstop working. I mean, there wasn't a bunch of breaks or anything like that. They went under the house and were down there all day. The electrical crew were the same thing. Very nice people. Didn't waste any time. I mean, they went down, did what they had to do, and did a fantastic job, because the electrical inspector, as soon as he heard what company did this, he stuck the green sticker on my electrical box. He said, I do not have to go under there. He said, these guys are good. I love your company. I mean, everybody from the first phone call through Jennifer to the folks that did the work to you, you've all been fantastic people, in my opinion.